So we're getting started today. It's cold. It's warm in the truck. I don't want to go out right now, so I'm enjoying my coffee. And yesterday, my boot got a hole in it, and I didn't have enough time to run anywhere and get a new boot. Oh, let me get that garbage out of here. So what I'm gonna do is I warmed them up under the heater as I drove in this morning, and we're gonna tape it up a little bit just to keep the snow out. Like yesterday, I mean, there was literally snow on my sock. My foot was about froze off. We don't have any. All right, so I don't have any toe warmers. That's gonna suck. Last night we had Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu down in Hardwick from Ricky Weatherall, and it was at Cambium Jiu-Jitsu. It's right in the middle of Hardwick. You had to look it up on their website. I'll put a link in the comments for you guys to see, but definitely great thing to check out. First time last night, a lot of fun. You know, learning the moves, learning the positions, all that stuff. So great thing to check out if you're a little bit bored on a Tuesday or a Thursday night. That's when the classes are, but there are classes every day of the week, I guess. I don't really understand like which nights you go, but Ricky said you can go any day. I think it's like more beginner on Tuesday and Thursday though. Maybe not. We'll find out. But it was a great time. Hoping to keep up with that. Great workout. Yeah, just happy about that. And we are back. Ronan's gonna be here in about an hour. So we're gonna go in the woods. There's a couple of trees down, and we're gonna try to get those bucked up before he gets here, just to kind of get rolling. And yeah, have a good day.
But there we go. I've been known to flat file a brand new chain.
Really?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, you mean like right here?
Yeah, take that right off.
What is that called?
That's your rider.
Rider?
Yeah.
Okay.
And what that does is it controls the bite of what your chain's taking. And normally if it's like, I like a more aggressive chain, so I'll take that like halfway down. Really work for Trent. He just calls me when he needs wood down. I do shitty jobs nobody else will do. That's my business model.
There we go. What an intro.
Yeah, I do shitty jobs nobody else will do.
Like, especially the time doing that. The foam underneath the toilet.
The foam underneath the camp up there.
I would have thought about chopping my own head off.
Yeah.
Jesus.
Yeah. It sucked.
Speaking of chopping your own head off, here's a good fact. Did you know the guillotine in France was last used in 1971?
1970. No shit.
That's pretty recent, isn't it?
That is pretty fucking recent. When did we put a man on the moon? Like the
60s,
So
yeah.
we put a man on.
All right, Ronan, you have a word from our sponsor?
Well, you know, this is part 2 of vlogging from yesterday. Today we're brought to you by Left-Handed Tennis Rackets. If you enjoy a bit of tennis, but you're left-handed, go check out Left-Handed Tennis Rackets. They'll treat you right.
We're going to have some on the website.
We're going to have some on the website. We'll have some demos here in the next couple of days.
Hello, Ronan. I got you.
The boss man.
No, you're the boss,
I am not the boss.
Ronan's the boss.
He is not the boss. Ronan doesn't want to be the boss.
I don't want to be the boss either some days, but here I am.
Here. This is where the whole season hangs, right here. Trent is ready to risk it all to get the tree on the ground for the necessity of Cambium strips.
We need Cambium for these rich people.
Yes.
They need their cheese.
That's where your cheese comes from. A lot of people think it comes from cows, but
It comes from these trees. Right
from trees right here.
This is probably the most dangerous one I've ever done.
This is very dangerous. Ready to risk it all for the company.
Don't worry, I'll wear my face mask.
That's a company man right there.
Here we go.
Here we go. This chain might have come undone. We're gonna see. His forks were on, so we're off to a flying start. I don't know if y'all can see this, but the forks were not attached to the front of the skid steer. So, we're off to a flying start. Now we're struggling. So far, so good. There's the boss man, taking care of business. All right, here we go. I thought, never mind. Nope, chains off again. By the time we get the tree on the ground, it might be rotted. This again is brought to you by D Batteries. We'd really like to thank D Batteries showing their support. Really makes what we do possible. So thank you to D Batteries. Here we go! Jesus Christ. Observe the power of the one ear. This is the forestry edition of the skid steer right here.